Hi, Fiona here. At the end of a pretty big day, getting rid of grass, putting posts in. Not me, I've got some wonderful Helpex guys here at the moment. They are Matthew and Stephen. So they've been, I'll show you in a second, actually I'll show you now. They've been putting some posts in up the top, which has been really handy as a bit of an awning that we're doing. So if I turn around now, you'll see them up on the hill there. I'll see if I can make it bigger for you. No, I can't. So where the vans and cars are, they're up there at the moment, putting some posts in. There's a cover for the caravan, and been pretty busy with it. Been around trying to water all the plants because there hasn't been much rain around, as everybody knows. We're a bit short on rain. Cutting the grass, and also that's my attempt at cutting the grass. Not too bad. All I had was a strimmer and kept running out of the cord, and it's now finished, so I'll have to get some more of that. And then here are all the pallets ready for tomorrow's workshop. So there's a pallet workshop on, and we've already commenced the work. It's our job to show people how to do it, and if they want to get involved, that's even better. But we're doing the hard yakka. So as you can see here, we've started putting the posts in. We don't want to get them all in today, because otherwise we'll have nothing to show tomorrow. So the first part is getting the levels, which Terry's going to show everyone tomorrow, and putting those posts in. I've got some pictures here with him digging a bit earlier, and there's more pallets there. Heaps of pallets. And look this way, actually. Look at that. All those pallets there are going to turn into a building that we're going to use to store stuff in. So yeah, it's been a pretty busy and hot day. It's quite warm out here. Well, it's not, I mean, it's 20, I think it's about 23 degree, which isn't too bad, I suppose, because it does get to 41 out here. And I'm just sorting out, I've got a unit over here which I'm going to shift in a minute. It's going to house a solar oven. So it's been made up. This is it here, this box. So that's the actual house for it. It sits inside the solar oven, and then the roof is sitting over here. So over the next few weeks, where is it? Just there. There's the roof and the posts just there to go up on it. Yeah, so that'll be out here very soon too, is the solar oven. So I think all of us are pretty beat. So I'm going to call it a day now, but we'll be back again tomorrow, and I'll give you a bit more of a video show with the pallet building that we're going to do. All right, till then, see ya, bye.